Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to reduce PDF file size without internet. First of all, I will show you the size of this PDF file. So if I right click on this file and go to its properties, you can see that the current size of this file is 8.17 megabytes. Now again, right click on the target file and go to the Open With section. Here, click on Choose Another App and then click on Word. Now, the target PDF file will open in your Microsoft Word. After that, click on Enable Editing, then select File option and go to the Save As section. Here, click on This PC and a pop-up will appear on your screen. Now, inside this pop-up, change your file type to PDF and save it on desktop. Now, go back to your desktop and you will see target file saved here. After that, right-click on this PDF file and go to its properties. As you can see, the size of this PDF file has been reduced. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.